In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Apple Pay on DoorDash. If you're looking to streamline your payment process and make ordering food even more convenient, then you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and get started with these simple, easy to follow steps. First, you'll want to open the DoorDash app on your device. If you haven't already downloaded it, just head over to your app store and install it. Once it's installed, tap to open and you should find yourself on the home screen. This is your launching pad for all your food delivery adventures. Now, to begin setting up Apple Pay as your payment method, look towards the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon that resembles a silhouette labeled as Accounts or Profile. Go ahead and tap on it. This section of the app is where you can manage all your personal details from addresses to payment options. Next, in your account settings, you'll notice an option labeled Payment Methods. Tap it and you'll be taken to another screen where you can add or manage how you pay for your orders. You're making great progress. It's just a couple more steps to go. In this section, to add Apple Pay, find the option that says Add Apple Pay or Google Wallet. Depending on your device, it might display slightly differently, but just follow your intuition here. Tap to add Apple Pay, and if your device is set up with Apple Pay already, it should smoothly integrate without a hitch. If not, you might need to set up Apple Pay through your device settings first, ensuring your card details are linked and ready to go. Once Apple Pay is successfully added, you'll see an option to save this payment method. Tap Save to ensure that your latest addition sticks for your future orders. One last step to make your ordering experience as efficient as possible. Consider setting Apple Pay as your default payment option. This way, next time you're in the midst of ordering your favorite meal, you won't have to sift through multiple payment options. It'll be right there, ready to go. And that's it. You've now set up Apple Pay as a payment method on DoorDash. It really is that straightforward. By just following these simple steps, you've made your life a little more convenient, saving precious minutes that can now be spent on chowing down your favorite dishes. Remember, staying up to date with tech can make everyday tasks so much easier. Thanks for watching and happy ordering. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks on getting the most out of your apps.